Students, in last classes we are discussing 5 general knowledge questions, but from today I extend it to 10 questions. So the first question is, My Music My Life is the autobiography of which person? The answer is P.T. Ravishankar. The next question is, which was the first talkie film of India? The answer is Alam Era. Next, through which translocation of food materials in plants takes place? The answer is phloem. Next, when does relative humidity decreases? The answer is with increased temperature. Next, who was the Sultan of Delhi who reputed to have built the biggest network of canals in India? The answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next, what type of party system has been evolved in India? The answer is multi-party. Next, a man with a dark skin in comparison with a man with white skin, what will experience? Less heat and less cold. Next, which bank is the banker of the banks? The answer is Reserve Bank of India. Next, where are a large number of species are found within a small unit of area? The answer is wet evergreen equatorial forests. Next, Krishna Deva Rai wrote a famous work namely Amukta Malyada in which language? Answer Telugu. So for more videos, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.